Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day with the great health. I am here with my another video, and today the topic of my video is about different length of pencil heel. A really beautiful design and different color combination that look really amazing and that look really pretty. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that goes with your every kind of outfit, and like it's eastern or it's western, it look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, it's a really beautiful black color heel. It's really simple and decent kind of heel that look really pretty. And as you see, it's also a really beautiful black color. And this one is also a really unique color heel that look really amazing, and this one is also a really beautiful kind of color that look really amazing, and this look really amazing. It look really beautiful kind of heel. This heel is also really good. This color is really beautiful. It's really good kind of color, and this one is also really beautiful rainbow color that look really amazing and make your outfit more beautiful. And as you see, it's a really beautiful red color heel. It look really pretty. Get ready to elevate your style game with our stunning collection of party-wear mule, stiletto heel, couch shoe, and ankle strap, high heel, and platform heel. These captivating footwear options are perfect for any special occasion, ensuring you make a dazzling entrance. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of a footwear lover, so in this platform you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations. So do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Goodbye, take care, and Allah Hafiz. I will see you in the next video.